Hello friends, today we are going to learn the chapter The Treehuggers. Title: Treehuggers were the people who used to hug the trees so that they can save the trees from being cut by the people. The title Treehuggers is very appropriate because it tells us the importance of trees and significance of tree plantation drives. Theme: the theme of the poem of Treehuggers has a great importance for us. We should be grateful to the trees for giving us so much and almost everything that we need to live. The poet wants that we should join our hand and gather around the trees and show them love and gratitude towards them. We should save them from people cut them for their personal needs and profit. Poetic devices. There are two types of poetic devices used in the poem. Symbolism. It is a poetic style in which symbols are used to represent ideas or qualities. It is an object representing another object. It tells the entirely different meaning that is much deeper and more significant. Example: dove stands for peace. White is the symbol of peace. Black is the symbol of death. Winter stands for death. Summer symbolizes birth. Epithet. It is a literacy device which describes the attributes of a person, place or thing. Epithets were widely used in earlier times to help the reader visualize the characters and bring color and vividness to the narrative. Mighty trees and sacred seas. Long question answer. Question: if you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. On the basis of reading of the poem Treehuggers, write an article on the topic Save Trees. Include benefits of trees. What would happen if there were no trees on earth? How can we stop that from happening in further future? Life could not exist on earth without trees because they produce most of the oxygen that humans and wildlife breathe. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen using the process of photosynthesis. There would also be no rain without trees, since trees absorb water from the soil and release it through evapotranspiration. Water vapor released through evapotranspiration is the major mechanism by which air is remoistened. Forests act as giant air filters for the world. Trees provide us many benefits, some of which we can't see, but they make a huge difference. They help in fighting back the climatic changes by absorbing the greenhouse gases, which are the main cause of climatic change. Moreover, they replenish the groundwater and filter the air from harmful pollutants and odors. Trees give off oxygen that we need to breathe. Trees reduce the amount of storm water runoff, which reduces erosion and may reduce the effects of flooding. Without trees, we should not be able to survive because the air would be unsuitable for breathing. If anything, people have to develop gas masks that filter little oxygen that would be left in the air if we would cut trees. What is going to happen is that pollution won't stop growing, but oxygen in the atmosphere will reduce. Thank you, friends.